My name is MIRTL. I'm originating from Austria and currently working for the UFZ in Halle Leipzig in Germany to be the coordinator of eLTER research infrastructure. That means the coordinator of the S3 process towards establishing eLTER ERIC. eLTER in principle is a research infrastructure that with a holistic approach focuses not only on the ecosystem, say the spheres of the ecosystem from the bedrock up to the lower atmosphere, but one of these spheres by definition is the socio-economic sphere. So we distinguish between humans and the environment, but we have a fully integrated approach where, as regards the data and available information, we have a set of standard observations. So these are about 65 variables that are observed across these spheres. They have to be observed, and that's a mandatory criterion at all the 200 sites and the 50 socio-ecological research platforms, securing that each discipline working at these sites has a full matrix of information from other domains to rely on. We call this approach the so-called information cluster, that it enables each domain-specific or disciplinary scientist to seamlessly approach a wealth of information which the individual or the team around the individual could actually not put together and access by its own resources. And that's part of the central services of the eLTER ERIC. Well, a complex question. I could give a lecture on that. No, but maybe the simplest answer is keep it stupid. That might sound paradox, but we have decided to start with widely appreciated and used metadata standards like Extended Darwin Core, like EML. So we are obliging all data providers to do semantic annotation, to provide the metadata, to provide information on the provenance of the data. This information is then digested into the system. So no number comes without the metadata and the provenance information. What we produce from the raw data are high-level data products. That's one part of the story. The other part is that we keep this enriched, metadata-enriched data available according to my previous answer across the spheres, giving everyone information. And during the several iterations of usage, the metadata are enriched. The second and more technological part of the story is that all the data are available through the eLTER data portal and the service portal of eLTER. And we do both. We store our own data in data nodes, but we also refer to existing data sets that are of relevance for eLTER in other sources.